Well, hello there. I have somewhat news that made me laugh, at least. The official Ubuntu flavor is told to stop including Flatpak. I guess Flatpak by default. It says here that Canonical has issued an official edict by order of the Fuhrer. Just kidding. The approved Ubuntu, I'm sorry, I can't stop laughing about this. The approved Ubuntu remixes must remove Flatpak support as of the next release, which would be coming up in April. The various Ubuntu flavors are not canonical products, such as Kubuntu, Lubuntu, Ubuntu Mate. Only the original Ubuntu with the GNOME desktop is the real thing, like Coke, the real thing. Look, I've never been a big fan lately of snap packages and Flatpaks. You never know when they're going to work. I never know when they're going to launch. Firefox, anyone, as a snap package? I'm still waiting for that one to launch. But no, there are 8 official Ubuntu flavors. Kubuntu, Lubuntu, Ubuntu Budgie, Mate, Studio. So Ubuntu 22.04 and their flavors are fine. Snap packages and Flatpaks, I feel like that goat, from the insurance commercial. Hey, do we have Flatpaks or snaps? And the goat goes, nah, 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 nah.